This institute is now conducting a national horticultural fair from February 8th to 12th. Namaskara, my dear farmer friends. I am Dr. M.R. Dinesh, Director, Indian Institute of Horticultural Research. This Indian Institute of Horticultural Research is located at Hesarghatta in Bengaluru. It is working under the aegis of Indian Council of Agricultural Research for the past 53 years on 54 crops. This institute is now conducting a national horticultural fair from February 8th to 12th under the theme Startup and Stand Up India. The Indian Institute of Horticultural Research, located at Hesarghatta in Bengaluru, is working under the aegis of Indian Council of Agricultural Research. For the past 5 decades, the institute has brought out several technologies working on 54 horticultural crops. These technologies and varieties, or whatever technologies that we have developed in the institute, are being showcased in the National Horticulture Fair that is being held from 8th February to 12th February at the office at the institute premises. The horticultural fair, which is of a national stature, is being conducted with the theme Startup and Stand Up India. In this horticultural fair, several technologies will be showcased, especially the varieties with disease resistance, technologies like value added products from jackfruit. Then there are several other technologies which help in organic farming as well as integrated farming systems. The speciality of this particular National Horticultural Fair is that this is being conducted on a hybrid mode. That is, it is both a virtual National Horticulture Fair as well as a physical one. On the virtual front, about 600 farmers producer organizations and Krishi Vijnana Kendras are being connected so that the farmers attached to these KVKs, in each KVKs we have asked about 100 farmers to log in so that all their problems will be addressed by the scientists who sit in the panel. Okay. This horticultural fair would have about 200 200 demonstration plots displaying various technologies. In this fair also about 132 stalls will be there, wherein several private companies would be displaying their technology, as well as several nurserymen will be selling their plant material and seeds. In addition, the institute also would have a stall which would actually sell the seeds and planting materials to the stakeholders in horticulture.